Welcome to JH. In this guide, I will demonstrate how to manage your Google Sheets while working offline. Start by opening Google Sheets and navigating to the main menu icon. From there, select Settings and ensure the offline toggle is activated. This setting permits you to generate, access, and edit your recent files on this device even without an internet connection. Mark the checkbox and hit OK. Now, simply select your document and enable the Available Offline option. You will notice a specific icon confirming the file is ready for offline use. Another method is to download the file directly to your computer. Open the spreadsheet, click on File, and then choose Download. Select the format you need. Microsoft Excel is the best choice if you intend to use a different software. Choose your destination folder, and the file will be saved, typically in your Downloads directory. Thank you for watching. If you found this helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing to the channel. I will see you in the next tutorial.